XRP is about to get to a price it has not seen since December of 2021, and that is just shy of $1. As you can see here, XRP on the weekly got to that dollar mark on a wick in the week of December 20th, 2021, right before Christmas, and the chart looks like we are getting ready to enter that $1 zone yet again. That is why in this video, we're going to talk to you about how XRP is getting to $1, what the price looks like, and what are some exciting things happening, and also an update on the court hearing and the lawsuit from Ripple and the SEC. So let's start with here. Is XRP a millionaire maker? Answer to this question is potentially yes, depending on obviously how much you have, when you bought, what XRP decides to do, if it's going to implement the CBDCs. We know it's got the bull by the horns when it comes to the cross-border payments. Are CBDCs going to come through? There's another sector, another vertical that XRP is looking to expand on, and we'll go over that, what that is in this video as well. Take a look at where XRP is right now, 64.67 cents. It was teetering around that 50-cent level for a very, very long time. If we zoom out to the yearly chart here, you can see with the exception of the spike to about 85 cents, once Judge Annalisa Torres brought down the ruling that XRP tokens were not sold as securities, it's been pretty up and down between 49 and 50 cents, seeing some spikes here and there. But it looks like we're on a trajectory to the up. We're looking at a $35 billion market cap. You got to remember, XRP was sitting at number 2, only behind Bitcoin just a few short years ago. Can it get back to number 2? Potentially. Let's talk about it. So an update on the case here. So, of course, we had the XRP ruling, as mentioned, not a sale of securities. We also had the SEC dismissing the lawsuit that was against Chris Larsen and Brad Garlinghouse. So the SEC voluntarily dismissed charges Thursday against Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen. The only thing left that we're waiting for the courts to sort out is whether the sales of the XRP token to the institutional buyers constituted an investment contract and therefore a security, which is where we are right now. Judge grants SEC's deadline extension on the Ripple case. This is from just a couple days ago. United States District Court Judge Annalisa Torres has approved a request from the SEC to extend the deadline for filing a submission that could bring its case against Ripple to an end. The extension allows the regulator to file its opening brief until March 22nd. The deadline for Ripple's opposition has also been extended to April 22nd, and the new deadline for the SEC to file a reply is May 6th. So May 6th is really where we're looking at for Ripple to potentially, for this thing to come to a complete close, and maybe we can see XRP rip past $1, maybe get to new all-time highs, $4, $5, $6, $10. So what does Ripple do? If you're watching this video, you probably know already what XRP does, but obviously their big play here is cross-border payments and CBDC. This is from October 24th of last year. Ripple teams with Uphold to bolster their cross-border payments infrastructure. We're going to take a look at the potential of Ripple if it does, let's say, get to Visa's market cap. We'll go over what the price of each XRP token would be. Take a look here from the Ripple.com website. Settlement in seconds, not days. Deliver real-time global payments without tying up capital in destination markets. This is very, very important. You know that when you transact with your bank card, it usually shows pending and processing, and it doesn't settle until 2-3 days. This is because the system that these payments are ran on is extremely old and outdated, and Ripple is looking to flip that upside its head. Our proven technology and global networks enable remittances, SME payments, disbursements, and treasury flows. It's a big one, treasury flows that are faster, more reliable, and more affordable for organizations and their customers. Imagine being able to move millions, potentially billions of dollars of treasury assets or just money globally and instant finality with sub 1 cent fees. That is what XRP is looking to do. Now, I mentioned, what is the biggest player in the payment world, right? It's none other than Visa. And if XRP were to get to Visa's market cap, you're looking at about $10.72. Even getting to half of what Visa's market cap would be, you're looking at well over $5 for XRP. So if you're accumulating at that 40, 50 cent level, you're looking at a potential minimum, let's say, of 10x, maybe even a 20x out of your XRP holdings. And then, of course, another vertical they're going for is CBDCs. Love them or hate them. I personally hate CBDCs. I think they're terrible, but it's something that is out of our control. So if we can't control it, we can't stop it from happening, then let's try to make some money off of it. And we can do that with XRP. The Ripple CBDC platform offers a comprehensive platform for minting, managing, transacting, and destroying CBDCs and stablecoins. Each solution is built on private ledger that is based upon the XRP ledger technology, which is a proven blockchain that has transacted over 70 million times. 70 million times, have been around for 10 years and trusted by financial institutions. Now, the other vertical XRP is really looking to dig in is RWAs. You've probably seen this acronym thrown out. It stands for real world assets, more specifically tokenizing these real world assets like real estate, like commodities, like treasuries. You name it, if it could be digitized and tokenized and put on the market, Ripple is looking to get a piece of that pie, as well as they are partnering with Axelar for RWA and cross-chain communication. Ripple is partnering with the Axelar Foundation to add interoperability to the XRP Ledger blockchain, targeting the next stage of growth for the tokenization of real-world assets. The partnership will enable developers to use Axelar's general message passing, also known as GMP, to execute calls on smart contracts residing on over 55 blockchains, facilitating the cross-chain deployment of decentralized applications on the XRP ledger. Benefits of the integration include unlocking liquidity for stablecoins and large cap assets. Real-world asset tokenization will be the driving force of the blockchain economy, with real estate, commodities, and treasuries and bonds being the leading use cases. This is what David Schwartz, the chief technology officer of Ripple, had to say. So cross-border payments, CBDCs, fast finality, and you're looking at RWAs. If Ripple can just grab a piece of each of those pies, you're looking at a potential price target of Ripple over $5, $10, maybe even $15. Now let's take a look at the chart here. So Ripple's chart, or XRP's chart, actually looks really, really good. If we take a look at the weekly here, we zoom in, you can see great structure on this chart on a very, very long time frame, as we are consistently making higher lows, right? Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, but we're also making higher highs, with the exception of this big wick, of course, which was the XRP ruling from Judge Annalisa Torres. Prior to that, continuing again to make higher highs and higher lows. And guys, we are only, with these drawings, we are only about, I'll do the measurement here, to get to about $1. We're only at about a 54% gain to get back to just $1, which would put you currently at almost a 2x if you bought XRP today. If you bought XRP a long time ago at 2 cents, 3 cents, 10 cents, 50 cents, you're looking at a solid 2x from a project that has been around for almost as long as Bitcoin has, that is looking to solve one of the biggest problems facing our financial industry today, which is payments and everything moving online. If you're bullish on XRP and Ripple, make sure to hit the like button. Let us know in the comments section. Also, come check out our live show Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.